/broadband-discover ne Airtel, the smartphone network.
Abantu fetukole gwanga Uganda n'olwekyo
bw'oyogera Uganda eba eyogedde n'olwekyo tukwaniza mu program Uganda eyogera.
Okay, buterevu omulungi ali Impact FM Radio Rasamanja twaniriza wasibeta sebo sibeta nyabudate ennaku zome ziri 7 omwezi gwa 7 omwaka 2023 lunaku lwa kusatu tuli fenna nkwaniza nate mu program Uganda eyogera atuwogera of course ku bintu bingi nnyo munafa atuwuliriza adyeyo gyosinza okuba nti otuwuliriza tuwogera ku ngeri z'okwanduma tukwamamu eggwanga lyaffe Uganda ne tudisikasinga ensonga ezikwata ku nnyaffe Uganda ate era tulaba ebizibu ebyenjawulo aye ne tukusala ffenna amagezi nga tuli wamu n'olw'ensonga eyo nkwaniriza gamba muno nagaba mune program etandise nga bulijjo omulangira kalima gegange wetwogerera of course eggwanga lya Uganda likyali mu kuba ekimbe ekya COVID-19 kikyagenda maaso kikyanyiga abantu ab'enjawulo naye tulina okubanga munange tweralikirira batugamba bulijjo okuba ntufaayo sanitizing saako masiki wewa mabanga ojja kubanga munange osokubanga weetaasa ekirwadde kino ekimanyiddwa nga ekya COVID-19 so etwogerera ministry yetu gamba buli lunaku nti abantu abawona bagenda beyongera nawe gamba genda maaso munange oberenga okola ebagamba okuba nti okola nenge esinga obukulu beera n'eddagala lisinga obukulu ennyo kwefaako liyako bulungi oba osobola okufuna COVID-19 baga naye osobola omweyambisa baga tuyita additional drug naye mu kimanyi kye nabagamba already kale program etandise akongeza akaleero mu mbeera bwetyo eya COVID-19 buli omu wali emunyigalulwe bannaffe abasuubuzi already abamu bali waka bannaffe betugamba basomesa bali waka amasomero bagaggala ate waliwo bannaffe ekika ekiro eky'abantu nakyo nga gyekiri kimiriza eggwanga lya wano Uganda lyetwogerako kubanga Uganda ng'ensendera zonna of course COVID azinyize mu mbeera zonna tulina bannaffe bano abayiikuula betugamba abayiikuula ebyobugagga eby'omu ttaka twogera ku ba miners twogera ku abasajja abagamba nti ebayita abalombe COVID naye abanyiga ku saidi yaabwe so nako leero munafa tuliza twogera ku dhaliza ku kimbe kino ekya COVID-19 mu budde buno bwenyewe twogerako ate era nemba naffe abalombe naddala abasima ekyobugaga kimayinga ekya zaabu oba gold mu ggwanga lya Uganda abeekalamo gye muli kimanyi gye muli munnyo yamutuwuliriza kale mu studio munafa atuliza okuba tudisikasinga ku nsonga bwe ziti professional mu bintu bino omukugu mu mbeera zonna zino eza mining ate eza research okunoonyereza naddala bino ebyobugaga betuna eby'omutaka y'omwami Nimpamya Enoka ye Director Research and Administration owa Action Coalition on Climate Change so sokola bako buza ku bawuli ku Impact FM Radio Rasamayinja
nsanyusa nnyo bawuliriza mwebale nnyo amanya baganjidde nze Nimpamya Enoka era nsima abatesitesi wa program eno ate nsima n'aba battaddemu akasente aba Extractives Global Programmatic Support EGPS and the World Bank be batuwadde akasente tubeere nga tuyigiriza abalombe eri mu bitundu by'ebuhweju ne Karamoja so nsanyuse okuba nammwe
abalombe ekisookera ddala abalombe bali e Karamoja ne buhweju basima ki
abalombe betuliko ffe abasima zaabu zaabu bayita gold abokutimba effeeza
mwali mu Uganda
bayitirivu tuweza abalombe abawera n'emitwalo 10
mu Uganda wano
mu Uganda wano
wow
jukira tulina ebirombe by'enjawulo katugeze mu Bende Busia Kitagwenda Ibanda n'ebitundu ebirala naye sila tulitadde project ya feno isila tulitadde Karamoja ne Buhweju katuyeza kumbuza lwaki abalombe umanya abalombe bantu banjawulo balomba banjawulo tebalinga gwe nange ekisooka embeera ze bakoleramu they live in congested environments
babira bangi mu kitundu
bayitirivu oyinza kusanga abantu katugeze nga 10 bali mu kinnya kimu mu mpukwemu
abantu nga 10 abanoonya gold
oyinza kusanga abantu nga 10 nga bali wamu nga ate bozya zabu washing gold.
Yes, yes.
So therefore there is high concentration of the miners in a given small place. So at the end, this puts them at a high risk of getting the COVID-19
yes,
at the same time as spreading it to other communities, their immediate families and adjacent communities. So remember, they interact with different categories of people: traders, suppliers of diesel, suppliers of petrol, suppliers of food.
Yes.
So to say, and remember, these miners come from different parts of the world. Today, what the world I'm talking about is Uganda.
Uganda, yes.
If I'm talking about Karamoja, you'll not be surprised to find a miner whose origin is in Mbarara.
Ngali Karamoja
ngasima zabu.
Yes.
You'll find somebody coming from Karangala, somebody coming from Arua.
Yes.
So, and they congregate in a small place to extract gold. So, given that state of environment, it is appalling. And really it puts the lives of the miners at risk. But be reminded that ntubana abalombe amanyi gabo bagatekera ddala wali kusira okufuna ekyobugaga
wali. Yes.
So COVID eno lwe yatandika jukira bamu basooka ne bava mu birombe byabwe naye waliwo ekiseera kyatuuka ne baddayo. So kakati bo eli gye babeera kanjiyite remoteness gye basima zaabu. Those places usually are largely remoted. These are remote areas.
Yes.
Hard to reach. Wagamba ngebuweju buweju nsi teyina na radio. Wado chimanye cho?
No, are sure?
Teyina radio station neji
muweju yenye.
Bowe yagala kugera nabasimi bazabu. They have no radio station in Uganda. You have to use Bushenyi, Mbarara, or like this radio which has a wider coverage. So hard to reach places. Now therefore, even you'll find that most of the district local governments, even our ministry here, the concentration is put on the other people. These miners who will go to Buhejo, the press, even you can drive.
Yes.
So that is the second factor. The third factor, why these miners? In terms of education, their levels of education is so low, or really is so low.
So how is education connected to COVID-19?
Njakugamba, omuntu asomye, somebody who is educated, his level of responding, say, to a call, to adhere to SOPs, okay?
Yes.
Is high. But somebody who's less educated, for example, they will tell you, for us we heard that sanitizers which are alcohol based are good. Do you know what they do? They take warage direct.
Yes.
Really?
I know, yeah.
Are you getting the point? Now, but somebody who is educated does understand that is not the way how it should be done. Because he knows a sanitizer can't be swallowed or consumed. But these people go and buy waragi, they say we are sanitizing them ourselves. So now, that is the third factor. Their level of education is so low. But then the fourth, perhaps, is that in terms of attracting the attention of policymakers, it has been negligible. Because first of all, they are called artisanal miners. Artisanal, in the essence of it, largely means these their contribution even to the GDP solo. Exactly. If you look at the tools that they use to extract gold, these tools are largely rudimentary. Sululu, hand axe, but for those who have license, they are allowed to use these heavy machines like mactas, tractors. But those without licenses, they use their own hands, basins, hand axe.
Yes.
Ninkumbi. So no wecho. Artisanal miners bano balina obuzibu bwabwe. Nsinga tetugenda eri etutwala yene njiri. If we don't reach out to them, that look here, your life is as important as anybody's life.
obulamu bwa mugaso ngo bwa bibuyo.
Exactly. As I said, they come from different parts of Uganda.
Yes.
So if somebody gets COVID from Karamoja or gets COVID from Buweju, you will bring it here in Kampala.
Yeah, sure.
Okay?
Sure.
Because they come from different parts of the world. So usually they go back to their families. And I told you they also interact with the immediate families and other communities.
Yeah.
So therefore it is important that we reach out to these people and we tell them COVID-19 is real. Most of them they tell you fetulu balumbe, fetulu bagaga. We are too far to be reached by COVID-19. So they even have such kind of perceptions. And most of them even thought this is a political game. But when we go out as an NGO, for example, as Action Coalition on Climate Change, we tell them, look, the ministry has been telling you this and this.
Yeah.
But we are equally emphasizing that for you to avoid or minimize COVID-19, you need to do this and this. They listen. Because this is an alternative voice. Okay, we are not politicians.
Yes.
We have no interest. Exactly. So they end up listening. That's why we are focusing on the Zaino miners and in those particular places, Karamoja and Buweju, which are hard to reach.
Abantu ba miners bano abafuna gundi golo jono basima golo jono bitundu bye Karamoja ne Buweju abalu abali betugama tino betulabye ba miners waliwo bakyala baabwe abana baabwe waliwo abagula ko golo dibe nyini waliwo abagula ke byokulya emmere bani abali so vulnerable obulwadde buno COVID-19.
Initially our message was consistent with the Ministry of Health. Yes. Okay. And our message was also consistent with WHO guidelines, World Health Organization guidelines.
Yes.
So at the beginning, the most vulnerable were those who were above 60 years of age.
Yes.
At the beginning, the first wave of COVID. Exactly. Then those who had certain ailments, say cancer, AIDS, pressure, etc. Those the unfit ones, those are largely vulnerable at the beginning. But this new wave of COVID-19 dictates and demands that everybody is vulnerable.
Okay.
Because we are told and we are informing you that children are equally at a risk.
Yes.
Everybody on this planet Earth is vulnerable to COVID-19.
Yes.
So we have no specific categories now to say that these ones are free, these ones are immune. No. Minor and the people who interact with them are vulnerable to COVID-19.
So mumugende no mubannafe bana basimi bazabu mubagamba for example mumugamba nti ofunye COVID onola baki because ogambye these are hard to reach areas.
Yes.
And I agree. Kubanga byeddala osanga balunga tiba government iri nayo. Of course government abajiyambako the NGOs abayamba ku government. You have to help the government.
Exactly.
Now omuntu ku bantu bano aba miners bano mubagamba batya mubagamba tino for example COVID wakwara kwazo kwata mulebanganako tamuli yanganako so mubagamba batya symptoms muzimaize mbagamba nti molaba kino for example your COVID.
What we have largely done here is we've summarized key information on the brochures. I think you have a copy here. This brochure is translated. This first page and the second is English.
Okay. Yes.
If you go to the third page and the fourth, this is Olunyankore.
Okay.
That is if we are targeting Buweju. Then for Karamojong, it is also translated
in the
Karamojong language, in their own language.
Okay.
So therefore, we usually after giving them say a lecture or informing them on why we are making this intervention, we give them these brochures so that they keep referring to them. But what are those common symptoms? Usually fever,
yes,
running nose, sneezing, new continuous cough, general body weakness, muscle aches, headaches, burning eyes,
sore throat,
burning when urinating,
ekasubira obuyo obulumi ng'ofuka okunkumula
loss of taste osmell
obanga tocha testinga
diarrhea
ng'ofunyemu olubuto ludduka nzikulu
nausea and vomiting
kusesema
difficulty in breathing
ng'obuzibu mu kussa.
These are the common symptoms. But we also emphasize that if you get any condition that has not been consistent with these other elements we've had previously, please don't take it for granted. Go to the immediate health center because government designated certain health centers or health facilities to take care of COVID patients. Not every health facility offers this kind of service.
Now let me ask,
in
these hard to reach areas, Karamoja, Buwejo, Amarayo Jegaliga Rugogi Baginamo.
For Karamoja, it is a big region. So, but for Karamoja, usually when you go to Moroto, that is the biggest town in Karamoja.
Yes.
At least there is a hospital. So for Buwejo, there is Nsika, but Nsika is largely understaffed. Nsika is it has issues to do with drug stocking. So at the end, they are referred to Mbarara referral hospital.
From Buheju, no Jambala.
Yes, they are referred to now, Ishaka. We are in a time of pandemic.
Yes, where public transport is banned.
Yes. No, usually when you get permission from the LC and the police or the RDC, under such circumstance, you are exempted or treated as a special case.
Okay, you go for treatment.
They allow you to go for treatment. Yes.
Okay, we bali nyibali dala. Amuna patuza tuli fenna tuli mukogera ku nsonga zaba banaffe ba miners abalombe abasime bibugagga munaffe ebyo mutaka engeji bakwatamu nabo engeri COVID-19 jaba kutemu ebebo chiwetambula era nga mu studio munaffe tuli mukogera ku nsonga ezo katudde tugere maso mpola mpola oli Impact FM radio samanja tovaawo katuje
kozesa Airtel Money okujjayo obukusindika sente ku mukutu ogusinga okusoboka nga guwagiddwa amatabi ga Airtel Money agasinga obugazi n'okubona mu Uganda yonna jayo sente ng'ogibwako siringi 3 zokka oba obutasukka siringi omutwalo gumu mu 25 ku Airtel Money songa ate osindikira siringi 10 zokka oba obutasukka siringi 10 iye kumi wendo jadondole jitasangika kozesa Airtel Money yokka okusindika oba okujayo sente mu Uganda nyiga *885# osindikirewo lero Airtel Money nyangu yesigika ate esala ensalo.
Baby Junior Jelly mukwano gwafe alino mukwano ogwamama muwewevu era yakuma ensusu zawe buli kadde. Baby Junior Jelly Baby Junior Jelly mukwano gwafe. Baby Junior Jelly ne Baby Junior Soap mukwano gw'abaana bange bwe malo banaza mba sinnabijjayo bato bannaabwe nga bamulesedda ekyama anyiriza abeebasa bulungi alina akawoowo akalungi aziza okubutuka okuletebwa diapers mulungi ne ku nsusu z'entondo
bikolebwa Movit.
Kozesa Airtel Money okujjayo obukusindika sente ku mukutu ogusinga okusoboka nga guwagiddwa amatabi ga Airtel Money agasinga obugazi n'okubona mu Uganda yonna jayo sente ng'ogibwako siringi 3 zokka oba obutasukka siringi omutwalo gumu mu 25 ku Airtel Money songa ate osindikira siringi 10 zokka oba obutasukka siringi 10 iye kumi wendo jadondole jitasangika kozesa Airtel Money yokka okusindika oba okujayo sente mu Uganda nyiga *885# osindikirewo lero Airtel Money nyangu yesigika ate esala ensalo.
Okyawuliza program Uganda Yogera.
Okay, tuli fena mnafatuliza oli Impact FM radio basa mayinja tutambula fena bwetyo program Uganda eyogera tutesa gwanga lya Uganda era nga tuogera ku nsonga ezikwatagana ku bannaffe abakola mu birombe abalombe abasima zaabo ebitundu bye Karamoja ebuheju obudde buno yensonga bali mu kusima zaabo ne nabo COVID-19 munanga bakosa ebyaddala era nga bambalwala abamu ne bafa n'okufa netto binate embeera ze bayitamu bannaffe bano embeera ze balimu naye tulina okuba munene tubataasa mu mbeera zonna era nga mu studio nina omwami Nimpamya Enoka on a director research and administration okuva mu Action Coalition on Climate Change twogera ku nsonga zino nga tufukasinga nnyo COVID-19 eri bannaffe bano abayita ba miners abasimi abyebugagga eby'omuttaka Mr. Enoka tuli mu kwogera kati tulabye already bannaffe bano bali mu hard to reach areas but already COVID-19 abalina era nabo bamulina abantu abasinga obungi ennyo kati mubagamba bigambo ki okuminimizinga oba before even okuminimizinga COVID-19 ono mubagamba ki bannaffe bano abasima ebyogagga eby'omuttaka
Chetubagamba, or what we specifically usually emphasize, is that the Ministry of Health here adopted SOPs, Standard Operating Procedures. But these are also in line with what the WHO or World Health Organization has been emphasizing. So we usually emphasize both of them. But the good thing is that our guidelines here are not different from those ones of the World Health Organization. Yes. So we usually emphasize those. But importantly here is we usually tell them to boost their immunity first. Okay. Because once this disease finds you when your immunity is strong, chances are high you will survive. Because we have many cases of people here who have recovered from COVID-19. Yes.
So how do they boost their immunity?
By eating, by having like a balanced diet.
Okay.
A balanced diet here we don't say. We go ahead and explain because we even have a team of experts usually when we are going to the field. We explain this, but they understand it at the end of the day.
Okay.
So avoiding crowded places. That is what we usually emphasize. But for the gold miners, it is increasingly and very difficult for you to avoid crowding because you'll find some people in one pit. You'll find like 15. They are very underground.
Yes.
They can even move up to 500 meters underground. Yes. Looking for gold. And they usually tell you, how do we now put on the mask? Because you know, the deeper you go, the lower the chances of getting the oxygen.
Yes, I know.
You know? Yes. So in certain circumstances, it becomes difficult. But we try as much as possible. And we tell them, like, if you are not underground, please make sure you put on the mask.
Okay.
Keep social distance. Get medical assistance if you find that you have issues with your health. Accept isolation in case you find that you are affected. Inform your family. Yes, because at the beginning we had issues of stigma. When you tell people that you have COVID-19, they run away from you. Yes, but now our emphasis is very clear and we are telling them that please look. If you find you have it, share this information with your immediate family. Because if you don't, then you'll end up, your children will get to you, your maid will get to you, your immediate family will get to you. At the end, you find that you are spreading it to the wider environment. Therefore, if you have it, accept you have it. And we usually give them hope as well. That please, if you get COVID-19, it isn't that it is a death sentence or this is something that cannot cure. So just accept to follow the guidelines and where possible live in isolation, take the prescribed drugs or herbs for that matter. And
the hardest part kyogeddeko wali singa obuzibu ennyo kyogambye nti omuntu wafuna akawuka aka COVID-19 oba ne bamuzula mu COVID-19 kale bannaffe abo balombe gye bali eyo tuwala wakalamoja tuli buhe ekiwala nnyo bwe wafunye akawuka kano ng'omuntu omugambi naga nti okay wazwa mubeera nabo you interact with them. So mubagamba batya oba babagenzi bamutestinga nga ina COVID-19 agenda kola atya ngabana banafa balombe
abayina okweyawula abayina okufuna obujanjabi kyekisooka you have to get treatment first. One. The second thing, accept isolation.
Okay.
Isolate yourself because apparently our government the government health facilities are almost full.
Yes.
So to the extent practical that you find they cannot even admit new patients unless if it is an emergency and somebody really needs like an oxygen. So therefore we tell them please accept isolation. We've had some cases where people do self-isolation. We've had some cases where people have followed the procedures and they have recovered. So we tell them that this is not a death sentence. Please know that the chances are high. Yes, that you okay. Because if you look at the percentage of those who have recovered against what we have lost, sincerely, you will find that really about 90% have recovered in Uganda.
Yes.
I'm speaking for the case of Uganda.
According to the Prime Minister, Right Honorable Robin Nabanja, 99% of those who actually contract COVID-19, they recover.
You see? Yes, but if we have exactly. So it is consistent, but of course it depends on which sample. You see, the challenge with that statistic is that like those hard to reach areas, some people contract this COVID and instead of seeking medical attention or thinking about COVID-19, they say, I've been bewitched. Are you getting the point?
Yes.
So some don't end up going to the hospitals. That is the challenge that we are having. We've observed. I've been bewitched. Therefore, let me see what I can do. Let me go to a pastor. At the end, the person dies there. So those ones are not part of the 99 that they. So we usually so that's why we are putting it at 90. That chances of recovering. So we tell them use sanitizers. Especially, in Uganda, we've had issues of fake sanitizers. Because at the beginning, the government was emphasizing, please produce sanitizers. It encouraged people, and even we had those quack or the counterfeit ones, and which took the advantage to produce the fake sanitizers until NDA, National Drug Authority, and the Ministry of Health came in to reduce on that. So we tell them, take sanitizers from prescribed suppliers. We also tell them, please wear your masks, wash hands regularly with soap, avoid touching your eyes, nose, mouth, and others. So and they seem to be taking our message, because you see, when you go there assuming you're a politician and you're asking for votes, and you go there and you tell them our objective here is to educate you or to share with you what we have experienced in other places. You see, if you're a politician, then your message will be taken politically. But for us, they look at it, usually they trust us as the second kind of as an alternative to government. So when they hear from us, they say, no, sincerely, somebody traveling from Kampala coming to Karamoja and who's here must be
should be carrying
with these brochures translated in their languages. They usually pick the message, and we've been sending our team to go there and verify, see if these people are still putting on the masks and all that. And really there is a positive trajectory.
Njagala mpe ku report that is jemufunanga mugenze mu bannafabo Karamoja Buheju abanafe mba miners bano abalombe wemba mugenze yo already mu Uganda tine ekizibu nti private hospitals and clinics zirinyisa ebisale the hiking
prices.
The prices,
the fee.
So bannafano bakisanga batya bo from that those areas.
Those hard to reach areas, as I said, in terms of the health facilities, they are few. Karamoja. We still have some people who are refusing even to put on clothes. Karamoja. We still have those people in Karamoja who don't believe in going to the toilet. You have to go to the bush. We still have such kind of people.
Strong cultural attachment.
Call it cultural attachment of back or anything, for lack of a better word, backwardness. For lack of a better word. So you find such kind of people because I told you their levels of education are so low. So at the end, when such kind of people get issues with their health, they usually resort to the traditional ways.
They go to
the traditional ways. They prescribe for themselves herbs. Right?
Yes.
So for us, no, my grandmother is better here. Yes, there are some cases where they could be doing a good work, but we are emphasizing that for COVID-19, this is a strange kind of a disease that really requires that you go to the medical facility and get the right treatment. Okay. So, but of course it is challenging, like as I said, for Bweju. Sika has issues in terms of capacity. So people have to go down to Bushenyi, people have to go down to Ibanda, people have to go down to Mbarara for treatment.
Well, that's still a challenge. But njagala abantu bembalala kwa watuulira abantu bembalala nasema obama yino lukala moja omanyo lukala moja.
No, I don't know it, but we have on our team we have Margaret, the expert on the languages. When we go me I know my Nyankore very well. When you
so gaba banafa abanyankore kubanga of course waliyo n'abasima zabo era batuulireyo so bagamba ngasina kuwa simu abanyankore wakubiri omulanga we make sure tino COVID-19 jali era bamwewale nadaba nabalombe
imo bantu barahangamu na munongi imo bakutimbe feza omuruhweju karamoja na ngune bichweke bindi echeche ubuwiro bwo kwita COVID-19 n'uburwire bw'amani kandi obukwetaga ngo watunga ubonero kaje nko mushija okwirukana ichinzi nkecho kushanga ombere no gushasha utine magara marungi kushanga ino mutwe mission gakurya omero no gushasha wanoshesha inkari ushasha wano ryebyo kurya ushanga utakubihura nangashi utakagaje ukwirukana nkebyo kutanaka kushanga utakwisyaje wawe ubonero nkobu bantu mwemereke kugira ngo itwe tutimbe feza turi nturonde sente ngabura wegendo mu magaro a government aguyatiriho ugende uchebeze umushaho urebe woyine COVID-19 abo kubo burwire bwe unubukwita kandi umbwire buke nubasa nunko mushaha 12 zonka nanga zitakwika ushange bwa kutwara na mununga abo kuba batayine man marungi nkaba gurusi abatakuryaje abatakwa busasaizi kubukwijana bukweha mbwenu ukuntu bagera muri Nyankore hifumu yitu ngo okwelinda nukushobora kutambirwa
sibuti sibuti
ahubwo kwelinda nukushobora kutambirwa
prevention is better than
nantagambirwa akariyeri ishuriye
sabara bwa bomba
mwenu nabagambire ngabaherezo murangogu nkito action coalition on climate change muhure manye COVID-19 tuburwira bwo kuzanisa kandi mugenda ya government byebagambire kureba ngo wayihara ukuzomba abantu bingi kureba ngo wakosaza maska kureba ngo wazoma rwara go bagandara onabenga rozawe na sabuni ngureke kutayira abanyabuzare akubana urebi abantu bamwe n'umucera kunda kuzomba nyabuzare mu mfunkezo mu majenyi ibyo nambihara bwo kuburwire bwizere kutuhaho kandi konka akinkwenda kubahamza no kugira ngo wakore ibyo binagamba ukaryaje ukakora nebindi uburwire ubu hariho chances nangashi hariho umuringo gwo kwiza kushanga ngo waho natuwafa wasigara umunsi yarahangiki.
Okay, buterevu nyo olite munafe oyo mukuru Mpamya Enoka munafatuliza ye director wa research and administration action coalition on climate change watu nyote banafe abajeyo muzadiza mu banafano abanyankole mutegede sokubeki weri badere bagatu bayino kwa basomesa egwanga ya Uganda eranga bali bamwe banafa ba extractives global programmatic support okwati munange bintu bitambuza omwe wali banka okwati embera basomesa na Uganda ndaba nafano abali betugaba miners ebikwatagana COVID-19 kwana omunange bantu twaga tulina okuba naffe tuteekako naffe ettaffaali yaffe nga banna Uganda okwali munange obulwadde buno tuweewala. Okay, tugakwatusa ku masimu gaffe munaffaali eyo ayo kubanga otugettako akaseera kano kennyini otubuulire nawe oyinza okubanga oliawo ebirombe bingi nnyo baminers bano kyowulidde mu programu eno nawe oyinza okubanga olina obubaka amagezi gwali badde baminers bano banaffe abasima mu birombe egolodi tulina golodi oyo tulina Karamoja bagambye already tulina Mubende tulina Buheju basima bayitirivu nnyo bo beekuumi batya era obaka tubutambuza lutya mu mbeera bwe zityo. So ku note 7 note 5 984 0705 984 984 munafu obanga gyoli wakubanga twegattako simu kujja kuba nti oyita obuuze ekibuuzo bwana Enoch wano abere natenga akikuddamu sina kindi okole comment yo ntandise naawe. Hello
Sebo mulanga je baliko.
Yes sebo.
Nze bampita Lukwago Derek wano Kangulumira Bukeeka.
Yes sebo Lukwago.
Kati ngenze tukana nsanze program egenze. Nayo natani wokubanga nindo batetanyamu ku bibuuzo byange wabula kyembadde mbuuza. Sente zaffe ze batugambye zijja ddi?
Okay. Series kali. Mbose related ku COVID-19. Okay. It's okay by the way. Neka nkubuuze bwana Enoch. Abana abantu abali mu abalombe bagenda kufuna ku sente zino nabo.
Bagenda zifuna naye minister prime minister yabagamba nti bagenda kuteeka ku guidelines on who meets the criteria to receive that kind of assistance. So
lero batugambye
you have to be patient with the government.
Minister Yomose yatugambye nti prime minister yatugambye ncha ku Lwokuna ne minister agambye ya better go week number ufuna sente ezo. So another week is needed mwe bagay ufuna sente ezachi ezemmere mobile money. Impact FM.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Amanya gange nyondo ya Yesu Steven.
Yes sir Steven.
Kansinzidde no buyukwe program enze zenjiwulira bulungi.
Yes sir.
Era naffe tunaaba basanyufu eri omwami akwasaganya ku by'ebirombe kuba nawulidde nti ne buyukwe ffe tulina ekirombe ekisinga obunene mu Uganda.
Sebo.
So ye njagala okwongerako nange kwekyo nti batuyambe abantu abamu tebategedde COVID. Abamu beekwata mbu pulezidenti yayogera mu luzungu bo tebabitegeera. Abalala osangira ddala eno mu byalo twagamba beesuuliddeyo gwa naggamba bw'ogenda okugeraageranya ku bikwatagana ne COVID tebambala masiki sanga abavubuka bali magulu naddala abavubuka muffe. Ffe tukyasinze ndowooza kati okubeera ekizibu era ffe twewaana eno basanga beewaana nti ffe COVID abavubuka ffe tulina omubiri mugumu. Kati sebo nsaba omukulu oyo newankubadde ng'ali mu birombe naye naffe atuweereza obubaka ng'abavubuka kubanga kati ekizibu kye tugenda okuddako ffe abavubuka ffe tugenda okusinga okusaasaanya ate obulwadde mu Uganda kubanga abantu abakulu olaba nga baresipondinze masiki bazambala n'ebirala naye ekizibu kati kiri mu ffe abavubuka.
Kati tuyanze okay musajja we yagambye they have actually one of the biggest now biggest mines in the country in Buyikwe. Bomugenda baluwozaako ddi.
Yeah, but he has put it clear that they have a problem of the youth.
Yes.
The mature people have responded on following the SOPs.
Yes.
But these youth are becoming stubborn.
They don't care.
And he's telling us that in Buyikwe they have the biggest gold mine.
Yes.
So our next focus, of course, like we started with Mubende and Busia.
Okay.
Now we have upscaled our project to Karamoja and now what he has told us really we shall also in the next phase think about Buyukwe.
Okay.
We also go there and take the message but tell those youth that COVID-19 is real and it kills.
Impact FM. Yes sebo. Yes sebo.
Kakati waliwo omwami abuuzizaawo ekibuuzo Kangulumira. Ate bagambye sente zigenda mu site area na Uganda ekya sente musooke mu kyeso oba oyina yamba munno mu kulowolereza mu gavumenti obawa kuba ne mwami Museveni omukyala Mama Nabbanja yajja ne pulaani ey'okugaba sente nga nningi all of a sudden cabinet netuula nangaba bachairman sibe bajja okuwandiika enkalala kati awo nemmanya ono president ne cabinet ye balina accountability ku sente za corona naye ebya sente esi bababuzaabuza muleme bbeera na ssuubi bebadde bifuna kukyomwami oyo ekyagolodi senjagala babuuza enabadde ensomako economic activity esinga leeta sente mu Uganda batugambye nti agriculture is 70%, then gold export 10%. Nenjagala babuuza sente ezo eziva mu golodi tuwulire Karamoja waliyo golodi naye nga contributinga ku budget yaffe ku GDP yaffe akyaba Karamoja golodi gyava basiba wano ku nguudo e Kampala be basinga obubi nawulirako lumu mwabawa emmere ey'obutwambu World Organization emmere yava Rwanda lwaki abakalamoja bennyini tebavaamu minisita waabwe kuba n'ekyokuteekamu minisita wa Karamoja mwamala kuzuula nti waliyo minerals muli exploitatinga naye bo temubaddiza just recently bacomplaininze ne bagoba ono minisita gwe mwabawadde nono Agnes Nandutu lwaki bo tebayo kwetegerera few people from Ankole temugenda mutegerera abakalamoja to the extent that you can
I think it's not people from where kuba minister aliyono za tava gondi Agnes Nandutu avambale yes okay simanyi obota nse bulungi ekibuzo yali kyomekereza nobiranga ato owabyemuko ekisooka tuddemu ekya golodi kyagamba ekiva okuba yes Karamoja already bani abamusima ye.
We have I told you we have at Zaino miners. At Zaino miners baba bantu babulijjo.
Ababulijjo. Okay. Bebasima golodi abatandikirwako.
Then licensed companies.
When companies ezakirizibwa.
Yes.
Okay.
Where you have say investors. They can be local investors or Chinese or any other. Whoever is given a license is free to go and extract gold.
Nengo bozibu buli kubana abawansi.
Focus ya fe. We are focusing on the locals, those who are at Zaino. At Zaino nga bwe kunyonyodde nga bwe balembera zaabwe
ba mere ya
lero.
Yes, okay.
Toja bale you will not compare them with the other people who are the investors. So for these ones they have their own special challenges.
Okay. Onagambe for me I tell my people that the only way known to get COVID-19 is to avoid it. Okay, Jara Moses Butare Town Council. We bali nyo bwana Jara Moses. Impact FM kwa mukana wange tugenda maso mpona okwatogera. Yeah.
Ulamukiza sebo.
Yes sebo nange.
Badde kusaba surprise.
Yes sebo.
Oli sosola mawango liwa kuba mbyeko.
Kituufu.
Mvude ndansonyiwa ngo bigezo olwo.
Ati ali tambo.
Kulo salo ngonyo. Nikira ati tubagule funyo. Bakutize bakora batujja ko nawo kivudwa wala kulanda mu jeko. Otokera kunze na yeka akati.
Yes sebo.
Ono nyondi problem bade muluzungu nnyo.
Sebo.
Kira bide kwa Karamoja ne bukweju. Yewa waliwo 10 people nga bali bukuya. Ruda boga tabogedde ko.
Bukuya.
Ewa uno mwami yali polisi. Yali mu pizo kati yadda. Ruda bade ono bade batawanya. Abo boga tabogedde ko.
Sino osubuga.
Bukuya. Mugambe ila. Twasookele mubende.
Okay, yes.
Bukuya twagendayo. Neyo gye bayita elugongo twagendayo. Ne tugenda ne Madudu.
Yera musomesa abantu.
So we let him understand that we also reached in we started with Mubende, so they let him not think that we are focusing on
this. Obulembedeko wano bana Facebook wano tujja Professor Prof Facts Mwanje kwali Jackson Bahi agambye kwetuli munaffe era bakwaniriza nnyo Shobabu tusuubira naga I appreciate your program sebo bali nnyo bali eddala then banafa abadde ku mikutu abadde batugobera no live ko abadde batugobera buterevu tulina Sekanjako Deusi tulina Kasozi Abdu tulina Amani Ivan Amoni abadde atugoberera Seramu Brian Nakabuye Roseti Francis Cheyune Irene Nabuyungo all the way from Abu Dhabi Prince Nick Nyombi, Mukisa Ramadhan, Nakato Zura, Godfrey Gibbs, Jackson Bay. Okay, mwana kwa ntumwe tugobedia basebo ne banyama nate. Yona swali buga mu sembe bwana Enoch ngatumaiza program.
My last words, I'm so happy that the responses, the questions from the people, and some of them we are even giving good pieces of advice. We are really candid and spot on. I'm impressed that people are following from different parts of the world. I'm hearing people from Abu Dhabi now following you.
Yeah, sure.
Because you have a big network here. People from the UK, the gold miners themselves, you've heard some of them.
Yes.
Others are calling us to go to their mining sites.
Yeah.
So I'm particularly happy that our program really has touched the common person. But finally, COVID-19 is real, and let us accept the standard operating procedures that have been set up by the Ministry of Health.
Okay.
And let us really love each other, and we support each other during this difficult time.
Okay, webale nyeba lidala. Mukula tuiza program yetu etambudo na kuwaliro. Tuwe tuogera ku nsonga za COVID-19 eriba naffe abalombe. Mubera bwetanga badino mwami ni Mpamya Enoka, ono munaffe ye Director Research and Administration wa Action Coalition on Climate Change. Mbera bwetu bitambudde kaswebe naffe jemuli mufunyemu nnyo nyini ddala. Era tubasibudde program edako emaidwanga lwasa mayinja nezemines the president apostle Dr. Joseph Sebadda Omundeba. Omulangi akemege gange. Mbe bulungi mweraba.
Ebigambo by'owulidde si bya radio eno management oba abakozi baayo wabula by'abantu Ssekinnungu.